What's up, guys? It's Bill from HoloModels RC again. Another flight of my Sportster. This one's printed out of Active Foaming Lightweight. Printed this one out of eSun using my G codes. I'll leave a link to download the airplane in the description. I got a 4S 2200 battery in there. This thing flies absolutely amazing. Has very great slow flight characteristics, which I love. Absolutely love it. I try to put some stress on the airframe today. I got this one a little bit nose heavy. It's been pretty windy the past couple weeks, and I like to fly my airplanes a little nose heavy when it's windy. It's like 55% throttle. Because of how light these airplanes are, my Sportster, I can get a very long flight time on a 4S battery. I'm thinking probably about 12 minutes now. I've got my timer set to 8. This one has a 35 diameter motor, 35-36, 1250 kV, I believe, if I remember correctly. I have offset built in for the motor, down and right offset. That's about 60% throttle right there. That's 100% throttle. If you're just getting into 3D printing airplanes, I definitely recommend getting this one. I designed the G code so it prints really fast. It has a 0.3 layer height. It prints pretty decent. It doesn't print perfect, but I'm very happy with the way the G code's turned out. I've printed every part probably about 10 times trying to find different ways to print this thing, and the G code's turned out pretty nice actually. I got a build video online. I'll leave some links in the description. You can find this thing printed out of different kinds of PLA. I've got flight videos for PLA Plus, Prefoam PLA, eSun, and SainSmart. And the G-codes I made brand specific for eSun and SainSmart. I didn't realize that SainSmart, it expands a lot more at lower temperatures. So I just got a couple different rolls. I have a roll from last year and one from this year, so a variety of different manufacturing dates, and I made sure that everything printed correctly with my G-codes. So you won't regret getting this thing if anybody downloads it. Super simple to put together. I have a build video. It's 90 minutes long. You can probably assemble this thing in under 2 hours. You know, if you have your push rods ready and all that good stuff, and your servos and everything. It doesn't require any servo extensions. The servos do screw in. The gear requires 35mm bolts and like 6 nuts if you want to put gear on it. Otherwise, I made it to be a belly lander also. Fuse 1 and Fuse 2 are beefed up. If you are going to belly land this thing, I would recommend printing Fuse 1 and Fuse 2 out of prefoamed and use lightweight or expanding active foaming lightweight for the rest of the aircraft, just to keep it super light so it still flies nice and slow. The wing loading's low. It tracks pretty good at high speed. I did pretty well with the offset that I put in it. I had tried a couple different ones. This one seemed to work the best. I think I got 2 and 1.5, 2 degrees right and 1.5 down, so that when you throttle it up, it doesn't just climb like crazy or track to the side and you have to add rudder. It does really well actually at high speeds. I bet this airplane would fly with a 2212 1000 kV motor because it's just so light. Came in under 900 grams with the battery, all up weight. Always loved the Sportster. I've been thinking about making the gear a little bit stronger in case, because if you print this thing out of pre-foamed or PLA Plus or PLA, it's a little bit heavier, well, significantly heavier actually. And I found I had to tie the rubber band real tight on those versions so the gear didn't flex a lot. I haven't broken the gear yet on it, so that's good from landing. I don't know how it would respond to grass. You guys are welcome to try it. I may try it down the road just because. So that's my 8 minutes there. I believe I set my timer to 8 minutes. This is the 3536 motor. So I'll make one more pass and get ready to land. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button or subscribe to future videos and future builds of mine. talk to you guys next time.